quick little disclaimer, guys. I am not a qualified and trained technician or mechanic, nor will I ever claim to be. Everything I do here is through self-learning. My way might not be the correct way, however it will either end with a good result or a good laugh for you guys at my expense. The sole purpose of these videos I have produced are for entertainment and information. If you choose to follow my videos as guidance, you do so at your own risk. Now that this boring bit is over, I'll let you enjoy the video. Hello guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be working again on the Vauxhall Meriva, the 2010 plate Vauxhall Meriva, and it's got a bit of a misfire. So let's have a little look and see if we can work out what's potentially going wrong. Yeah, so we'll go out to the car and have a look. So I'm doing a scan and it seems to be taking a little while, but I'm doing a scan to see if it gives us any ideas of what the intermittent misfire is going to be. I'm not thinking it will tell me anything, but I also kind of already know what is going on with this because I've physically seen the issue. But yeah, I'll bring you back in when I've got something on here. So yeah. So guys, as suspected, MIL light status off. Well, we know that. Codes found 0. I wasn't expecting that, but at the same time, that just shows how useless sometimes a scan tool can be. So yeah, let's go show you under the bonnet. So like I said already, I already know what's wrong, so let's see what we can find. Air box has been checked but will be replaced with a new filter. Spark plugs have been checked and not too bad and thingy. We've checked all the wiring around here, and on the subject of wiring, let's just that cover is well and truly on there, but here we are, look. Injector wiring harness with away you go, and then the yellow one, I don't know how well you can see that, but the other one's also damaged as well. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this up like so. I'm going to pull these connectors out of the injectors so I can get a bit more space, and I'm going to redo the wiring on this one back here with soldering iron. And just like that, guys, I've unplugged the soldering iron now, so that's all finished with. But I've soldered it up, heat shrinked it, and taped it all the way from there up to the end there. That's a much neater looking fix and also a lot less obvious, but it'll do the job a lot better. So let's just plug these in. Okay, one. Wow, these are actually a little bit tighter than I was hoping. I think I'm going to have to probably push these pins in whilst pushing them down, so they actually shouldn't have to though. Yeah, no. Try this one. Yeah, no, I think I am going to have to do that, but yeah. So basically I'm going to have to push those pins in like so, like that, so they'll go down a lot easier. But I can't get them in there with my finger, my thumb rather, because of the, I don't know if you can see that, there isn't much in the way of, I'm not going to be able to get my thumb between that tiny little gap there and the engine. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to fit them how I removed them, which is using flathead screwdriver to push those in, and then as I'm using the flathead screwdriver to push them in, then push them down. So that can go against the metal bit like so and push in, and then while that's pushing in, you can then push down on there. But as you can see, the one that's causing the problem is in, and just like that, guys, it's all finished. Just the cover to go back on, and then see how she sounds when I start her up. So guys, she's idling lovely. I've taken the cover off again because this makes it sound awful, and I'll see if I can show you what I mean. basically, if I put you, don't know if I'm going to be able to show you, but basically have a good listen at this, and then that rattle. So guys, thank you for watching another one of my YouTube videos. That is the injector issue now sorted. The car runs absolutely lovely with no misfire anymore, and it's now with its new owner, my mate's granddad, and so far as I'm aware, he's absolutely loving it. So lovely jubbly, all done. We won't be seeing that one again, but we don't need to because we've done what we need to with it. So, but anyway, thank you for watching. Take care guys, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.